Welcome to our Wealth Builder Academy video blog, the pioneer in building wealth with digital properties. Thank you for watching our daily video blog. If you find our video blog helpful, like it, and subscribe below. And don't forget to click the notification bell so we can notify you when we add a new video blog. If you would like a chance to win a Wealth Builder Academy course, leave the best comment below. We pick a winner weekly. Today practically every service needs to have its own website. Otherwise, it doesn't stand an opportunity in the competition. If you have experience creating sites, the demand for site creation has gone up so much that this is a terrific way to make cash online. What are the essentials for effective website development? Today there are innumerable website style companies. They seem to be mushrooming every single day. You need to stand apart from the crowd if you want to make cash online by developing websites. How do you make your site creation a success? If you wish to begin to make money online, you need to attend to the site's target audience. You need to create a site that will appeal to the sector. If your website is fascinating and appeals to your target segment, you will receive more visitors and hence get more sales. B. Design. You will find countless free site design templates doing the rounds these days. Nevertheless, choosing among these limits your possibilities to earn money online. Why? Because you risk being one among the millions out there. You require to develop ingenious sites that have expert styles if you wish to stand and develop a mark out from the crowd. The style you choose for the website to make money online will depend upon the kind of customer you're dealing with. For a software business, the design needs to be formal and professional looking, while for a kid's toy store it requires to be fun and interesting with a lot of flash. By picking the appropriate style, you increase your scope to make money online. This will ensure more success to make cash online. The site you develop requirements to have certain unique features that make it various from the scores of other sites today. D. User-friendly. While beginning with website production to earn money online, you need to ensure your site has good navigability. It needs to be user-friendly and simple to utilize. Simply put, users require to find what they're trying to find quickly. This way you will get more traffic and earn money online. E. S.E.O. Search engine optimization is another element to consider in your site creation efforts. If you wish to make money online and attract more traffic, you need to enhance your site to get more sales. The need for website production has gone up so much that this is a terrific method to make cash online if you have experience developing websites. If you wish to make money online by developing sites, you need to stand apart from the crowd. How do you make your site development a success? If you wish to begin to make money online, you need to address the website's target audience. The website you produce needs to have certain unique functions that make it different from the scores of other sites today. Thank you for watching our daily video blog. If you would like to begin making money online today, go to our amazing Wealth Builder Academy website below for our list of money-making courses. And remember to leave a comment below for a chance to win a free Wealth Builder Academy course today. Thank you.